Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 24th of May, Monday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe my channel. Just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis through this platform, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD 3 major currency pair. Euro USD, if you look at the 4-hour, last week we were short and banked beautiful pips. As you can see, price nicely respected the support level, which is previously respected many times. You can see here that is 21,604 level. And today we were long, as you can see, this candle inside candle pattern, and we had this we have another inside candle pattern in decision mode. We had this breakout long and price nicely hit to the profit target on Euro USD. As you can see here, price again respecting this level. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to respect this resistance level, major resistance level, then possibility of short. And if you look at here, price developing it another downside channel pattern. We'll see. Sometime price might gonna hit and break the previous high and then short, or if we price respect. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We look at the valid pattern in intraday system here, and then we take trade accordingly. All right, so let's dig into the today's analysis. We did one analysis at the market open. Let me share with you guys. You can see here we had a beautiful price nicely respected at the support level, and when we look at that's what we explained to trader, if the price is going to break the previous. Let me make it slightly bigger so at least you can see it. Okay, this is the analysis just after the market open, and explain to my trader, look at here, we're looking if the price is going to break the previous low, which is the 4-hour, that's level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here. And if the price is going to respect, then long here, but we need a valid technical entry. As you can see here, price nicely, especially when the price develop inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what we explained to trader. Look, possibility of long if the price is going to break this recent high. So you can see here, price nicely broken. As always, the first target would be 200 EMA. As you can see here, price nicely hit the first target. This is the analysis we did at the market open, and we banked beautiful pips at the London morning session. Right, so we also had a beautiful analysis at the London open. As you can see here, once the price hit to this target, and that's what we explained to trader, look for another breakout trade. As you can see here, price nicely develop high and low, and especially you can see here, as explained previously, head and shoulder pattern. Look for another, and the safest trade if the price gonna break this trend resistance line, which price nicely broken. We had this breakout, target hit, another breakout, another target hit. So beautiful, another breakout long trade on Euro USD. And then at the New York session, as always, after the breakout, as we explained over trader, we already had this breakout, so look for another pullback at this level. So which you can see here, price nicely develop another small pullback. As soon as the price hit to this level, which is 22.98, so 298 level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to either move your stop loss at the break even or bank some few pips. So you can see here we were long on Euro USD today. And let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, let's see in the 4-hour, you can see here that we had a mixed reaction today. As you can see, that we have a bank holiday in most of the places, so we haven't seen any volatility. You can see no big movements, and as explained to my trader, look for, because if you look at the price action, we had this breakout. After the breakout, we were looking a pullback short trade here, which we had a nice short trade this morning, bank beautiful pips, and we had another pullback and then long here. So if you look at right now, the price is at the major support level. We'll see tomorrow, but if you look at right now, inside candle pattern is developed again. So the price is at very interesting level. So we're looking this breakout for the safest trade tomorrow. Let's see, guys. And if you look at the intraday analysis, today's intraday analysis, if you look at the bottom, this is the analysis I did the London morning session. You can see here this one, and because I already explained to my trader, look for this pullback after the breakout at this level in 4 hours. So you can see here price, as you also explained, if the price is going to respect 200 EMA in intraday, which price nicely respected, and beautiful short trade as always. The first target, which is the previous low, as you can see here, support level, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit and look for pullback here. Again, another analysis, which is you can see here, once we bank some profit, and that's what we explained, look for another pullback, which you can see here, price nicely developed pullback at least like 15-20 pips more. And afterwards we had another analysis at the London at the New York session, where you can see here price nicely developed in a previous analysis. We had it around 15-20 pips, and afterwards at the New York session, just before the opening bell, we did another analysis, look for another breakout, because we were watching here. You can see here price nicely respected. And if you look at here at the New York session, we have another bullish inside candle pattern. We had this breakout as always. This is the 200 EMA, which is again in 4 hour. You can see here there's a previous high, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what we explained to the trader to consider tightening your stop loss or banking some profit. So you can see we had a short trade this morning, and we had two short trade this morning, and one is breakout and another one is a pullback. And at the New York session, we had a breakout long trade on pound dollar. Today was Monday. You can see we haven't seen any big moves, but still we managed few pips. And if you look at the dollar CAD, we were expecting this breakout. And if you look at in the 4 hour, we were expecting this breakout, and that's what we explained to trade. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken at the New York session. If you look at here, that's the analysis. That's the only one analysis we were waiting for this breakout, which price nicely broken at the New York session. And I just explained to my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even, as soon as you can see here price nicely hitting to the previous low. So that's it. We haven't seen any volatility, guys, but we still managed beautiful pips. It looked like the price is broken this one, but as you can see here, price is at this level. And if you look at here, the price developed sort of like a triangle pattern, looking for this breakout. Let's see tomorrow. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We are looking valid technical entries in intraday system, and then we take trade accordingly. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy all this analysis details. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, and even if you don't have forex trading experience, as I said to you guys, we provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. My main objective is to train traders through live intraday analysis so they can develop their trading skill effectively, and then we can open door for them for trading funds. If you would like to know how I train and coach my traders and how I help them to get funded through prop firms, feel free to book one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.